Why you can't go live on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now, one of the major reasons of why you cannot go live is maybe you don't have a stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. So make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. And next is you can simply launch the Play Store application and check if you have an updated version of the TikTok application. Because when you do not have an updated version of the application, you do not get to move forward and use the latest version. So here you can see there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of the application. Next is to simply tap on open and make sure that you're logged into your account over here. Now, as you do that, what you can see is you'll be able to see different options. So simply tap on your profile, and as you tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, you'll be landing on the profile section. So another reason for not being able to go live is not meeting the followers requirement. You must have at least 1,000 followers over here in order to go live, and you should not be violating any sort of community guidelines as well. You need to have proper account or original, like proper account age in order to go live, and the app settings needs to be updated. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.